A ban on a popular e-cigarette brand has come to an end. The Food and Drug Administration had forbidden the San Francisco-based company Juul from marketing its products. CBS 8's Richard Allen is here with more on what this recent reversal could mean, as well as new research on the potential health effects of these products. Richard.
Well, Carlo, that's right. The federal government originally banned Juul back in 2022 amid a rapid rise in vaping among teenagers. The company quickly challenged the FDA's decision at the time, allowing Juul to remain available during that appeal, an appeal that's now resulted in a reversal of the original ban. For many e-cigarette users, the ban on Juul products 2 years ago was highly criticized.
Because I think people should have a choice.
Just because someone says it's good or not, that's your choice to decide if it's good or not.
Juul, which launched in 2015, has marketed itself as a healthier alternative to traditional cigarettes, but came under fire as use among teens exploded. Critics pointed to Juul's colorful packaging, sleek design, and youthful models in its campaigns that seem to target young people.
And that's actually what enrages me as a mother and a doctor.
Dr. Laura Crotty-Alexander is a physician scientist at UC San Diego who's been studying the health effects of e-cigarettes for more than a decade. Her research specifically examined the effects of Juul products in lab animals, but points out that the ingredients in other e-cigarette products are inherently not that different.
It impacts their lung health, it impacts their hearts, their kidneys, their livers, their brains.
Along with potentially increased risks for heart attack and stroke, this research, which is still continuing, has also raised serious concerns about Juul's effects on the brain, especially in young people whose brains are still developing.
We found changes in those parts of the brain that control anxiety, mood, depression, and memory. And that was really frightening.
The FDA says that its reversal is based on review of information provided by Juul, as well as recent court decisions and new data. In a statement, Juul said it appreciates the FDA's decision, adding they believe that a full review of the science and evidence will demonstrate that our products meet the statutory standard of being appropriate for the protection of public health. And while Juul now plans to fight for federal authorization to market its products, critics are renewing their fight as well.
We're hooking a whole new generation on these highly addictive tobacco products.
And keep in mind, this new decision by the FDA does not mean that the federal government is now authorizing Juul products for sale. A full review is still pending, but in the meantime, Juul products will continue to be available.
To be clear, Juul says its products are designed for adults, but these are still very popular with teens, right?
Extremely popular. Maybe not quite as popular as 7 or 8 years ago, and this isn't just Juul, but this is all e-cigarettes. They're the most commonly used form of tobacco products among teens. About 2 million middle schoolers and high schoolers using these vaping devices just last year.
Still an alarming number, especially when we hear about those potential health impacts.
Exactly.
Richard Allen reporting for us. Thanks, Richard.
Thank you.